Pagdating sa maulan-ulan na panahon ng Thailand, maaga pa lang ay gumayak na kami papunta dito sa Big Buddha, Phuket. This infamous Big Buddha is one of the Phuket's most cultural and religious symbols. And not only this, the impressive 45-meter marble-crafted statue and must see the 360-degree views overlooking at the south of the island in its attraction. For a brief history of this temple, this was built in the year 2004 and it is dedicated to the late King of Thailand, His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej. Mula dito sa taas ay mamamangha ka talaga sa ganda ng view facing Andaman Sea. Mabuti na lang din sa araw na ito nakisama yung panahon dahil wala pang ulan, kaya naman inagahan namin. Mga 8 o'clock in the morning umalis na po kami sa aming tinutuluyang hotel at nakarating kami dito mga 35 minutes kasi by motorbike po kami nag-travel. A friendly reminder anyone visiting this place to wear a decent clothes. Otherwise, they will give you a shawl or a long skirt if you are wearing short. Ang hawak ko pala na to ay lotus flower. Kung napapansin nyo po, ito po yung bulaklak kung saan laging nakaupo si Buddha while doing his meditation. So, yan lang po for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next vlog. Bye!